Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey caught in the rain. Do you want to know why Bluey is standing outside today, even though the sky is gray? Can you guess? Did she forget her umbrella? Did she want to splash? Or did she just love the cool drops on her fur? Imagine soft rain falling on your hands. Can you feel it? One afternoon, Bluey and Bingo were playing in the yard. The clouds rolled in slowly, and before long, tiny raindrops began to fall. "Oh no," Bingo said. "We didn't bring anything to stay dry." Bluey wagged her tail. "Maybe it's not so bad. The rain feels tickly." Children, stretch out your fingers and wiggle them as if raindrops are landing on you. Soon the rain grew heavier. Puddles formed around their paws. Bluey tried stepping into one and water rippled outward. "Look, Bingo, circles in the puddle." Bingo giggled, like dancing shapes. "Kids, can you stomp your feet gently, making your own puddle dance?" Mom opened the door and called, "Bluey, Bingo, come inside before you get soaked." But Bluey shook her head. "Just a little longer, please." Dad leaned against the doorway, smiling. Sometimes a little rain makes the world shine brighter. Bluey looked at the shiny leaves, sparkling with water. The grass smelled fresh and the air felt cool. "It's like magic," she whispered. Bingo twirled, arms wide, letting raindrops slide on her fur. Children, spin slowly in place like Bingo, arms stretched out, feeling the rain. Like this video and subscribe my channel, but soon, the rain poured harder. Bluey laughed, but then shivered. "I think we're really stuck now," she said. Bingo nodded, her ears drooping. "We need a plan." Bluey thought. "Let's build a little tent." They dragged a blanket from the porch and stretched it between two chairs. "Kids, pretend you're holding a big blanket above your head. Stretch your arms high." The sisters crawled under their makeshift tent. Raindrops tapped softly on the blanket, a gentle rhythm above them. "It's cozy here," Bingo sighed. Bluey nodded, "and we can watch the rain safely." They peeked out and saw the garden glowing, colors deeper, the world washed clean. The cat from earlier crept by, shaking its fur. Bluey laughed. "Even the cat needs shelter." Bingo whispered, "Let's share our tent." The cat slipped under, curling up beside them, warm and purring. Children, hug yourself tight, like cuddling something small and safe. Inside their little fort, they felt snug and happy. "See, Bingo," Bluey said softly, "being caught in the rain isn't scary at all. It can be an adventure." Bingo smiled, and adventures are better when we're together. As the rain slowed, the sun peeked through the clouds, sending a rainbow across the sky. Bluey gasped, "Look!" Colors in the air. Bingo clapped her hands. "Kids, clap with her, 1, 2, 3. Mom and Dad stepped out, smiling. "Time to come in, my wet little puppies," Mom laughed. Dad winked, "But I see you made the rain into fun." Bluey and Bingo waved. The rainbow glowed, the rain faded, and their hearts felt light. Friends, wave your hands now with Bluey, Bingo, and the cat, soft and gentle, sending love through the rainbow sky.